The last S stands for self-organized, the fifth S. And it means that we will make 5S part of our day-to-day and the day-to-day of our team. So why do we want to self-organize within our team? Because we want everyone to do the right thing even when nobody is looking. So that's the main part of the self-organized step, which helps everyone follow the rules or follow the agreements that you have as a team without anyone else looking or controlling that it's getting done. So this is also called a spontaneous order, and it happens also in biology. For example, like fish, a school of fish that is fishing, and they are all going the same direction, and apparently there's no leader. So that's the way a team can work better and can improve their time. So in the self-organized step, what we're gonna do is we're gonna work on 3 micro steps that will be. The first micro step is actually changing a micro step every week, doing a small change that can help you improve your time. The second one has to do with making it seamless, how you remove all the obstacles and potential obstacles so that you never leave the habit. That means that if you have to wake up early to go to run every single day, how you make sure you never miss it. And the third one has to do with repeat, repeat, and repeat, this is the basics of self-organization. People learn through repeating, through observing people around and doing the same thing, imitating. So these are the 3 things that we're gonna review in the 5th S. Follow me to continue all this journey and start improving your self-organization and the self-organization of your team. Thank you very much.